pretty soon when you get into banking, you realize that depending on what you want to do, you want to kind of move yourself towards where the most deal flow is, and in particular the M&A deal flow. And Piper I think it's, there are industry teams, so there's no coverage teams. So M&A is all done in-house. So I really wanted to get in the healthcare team, and luckily there were some great people at Piper who kind of helped me along the way, and they helped me transition over to the healthcare team.
And can you tell me a little bit about like that transition? So like at the end of the internship, or during the internship, were you kind of like just networking aggressively with all the M&A?
A little bit. Yeah, exactly. I think like I made it clear that I wasn't going to accept a return if it wasn't for a coverage team that wasn't, because ECM, I guess ECM is a coverage team, and that's the only kind of, or like a product team. I think that's what they call it, like a product team.
Mm-hmm.
And there's ECM and DCM, and then there's just industry teams. And I was like, I want to be on an industry team.
The industry team being healthcare specifically, and
healthcare,
because they have M&A in there within that.
Yeah,